Fracture analysis of aluminum graphite composite for the application of helicopter rotor blade. From the literature it is identified that helicopter rotor blade, which is made up of aluminum 6061, was failed at the threaded portion of the rotor blade. The main objective of this work is to study the fracture behavior of aluminum graphite material using both experimentation and finite element simulation method by considering the helicopter rotor blade as a case study. The finite element model is built for the aluminum 6061 base alloy and aluminum 6061 graphite composite. Through this work, an attempt has been made to compare the existing use of the material with the composite material to prepare the helicopter rotor blade so as to enhance its fatigue crack resistance materials. Aluminum 6061 in T6 condition is used as a base material. Its major alloying elements are silicon and magnesium. Graphite particles are selected as a reinforcement which has the density near to the aluminum. Model generation is CT specimen we have used, and for the CT specimen the geometry is given in this sketch, and also the finite element model is carried out using the ANSYS. So the failure of the helicopter rotor blade is given here. The failure takes place at the threaded portion of the bolt. You can see the figure C and D. At the threaded portion of the blade there is a fracture has been taken place. Fracture, it is observed to be due to the corrosion of the material as per this. The same threaded model has been generated using the finite element method software using ANSYS. Figure shows the nodes around the crack tip. So from the experimentation as well as from the simulation, the fracture toughness has been carried out. From the experimentation, the fracture toughness was nearly 15.5 MPa root meter for base alloy without any reinforcement, whereas for the 9% of graphite in the aluminum matrix, it is observed to be more than 16 MPa root meter. So from this we can say that 9% graphite has the better results as compared to the base alloy. So from the above study, it is concluded that the finite element model, which is built for bolt hole as well as the compact tension specimen in the ANSYS, the fracture toughness values obtained from FE simulation are in close agreement with the data obtained from standard KIC testing. From the comparison of experimental and finite element simulation results, it is recommended aluminum 6061 9% of graphite material can be considered as the potential rotor blade material as a replacement of aluminum 6061 base alloy in the application of main rotor blade of the helicopter. Thank you.